If you want to change straps on the Xiaomi Watch 5, you need to take a look at the back of the watch, because over here on the back of each strap we have this lever which we need to use in order to remove the strap first, and then also we need to use it in order to attach the strap back into the watch. First we need to pull this lever to the opposite side, so of course we can use our fingernails if possible, and then we should be able to easily remove the strap or band, of course. And you can also try to use anything small or tiny that will help you just pull the lever to the opposite side. And once it is removed, as you can see, we can actually use these pins that we have on each side in order to move this lever. So this is how it works. Now, if you want to add or attach the strap, it is going to be slightly more difficult, but with a little bit of patience, you should be able to actually make it work. Essentially, I think the best way to attach the strap is by using the opposite side where the lever is located. So since this lever is located here, we're going to start from this side, and we need to simply put it to this hole. There should be a hole right under the place where you attach the strap. So we're going to put it over there first, and then you will have to pull this lever again. So let's see if I can make it work. First we need to, of course, put it from the other side into the hole. Then you can try to bring it close to the other side as well, and you will have to simply pull the lever down again. Now this might be actually very difficult at first, but with a little bit of patience you should be able to actually pull it off. And there we go, it worked. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.